the bond that we share is quite unexpected. I didn't know him before, and same he also didn't know me. It's quite weird.
I think the first time I saw him, I thought he was a really silent guy, and I wanted to get something out of him because he never spoke to anybody at all. Then I realized the second day, in fact, he told me I'm not someone who goes and talks to anybody by myself. So I think if he has to learn something about it, I thought I could help him by myself going and talking.
The learning that I got so far is from the seniors is that just stick to your own process and keep following it no matter whatever the situation or the condition is, and just be yourself.
So I was coming here after a long break from red ball cricket. I remember I played, I think, 1.5 years back that I played any red ball cricket. But then the way I look at it is there's no difference between a red ball and a white ball. Maybe there is a lot, but then personally I don't want to segregate saying white ball and red ball. So that's how I look at it. And yeah, coming here and bowling against the best in the country, nothing like it. You're challenged every single day. So nothing like it.
It has been a very, very good experience so far. I've talked to almost everybody in the team now, and everyone has been so polite and so kind to me. You also know this is my first tour overseas with the Indian team. So happy for my experience that I have had till now, and I hope to carry on the same feeling.
I think his obsession with watching sunsets, I think it is something very strange for me, because every single evening the only thing he wants to do is he says, I want to go watch a sunset. So you get to watch it every day from anywhere in the room or wherever you want to. I think that's something surprising.
I've grown up on a beach, so every day I would go on the beach and watch sunset. So that's kind of a routine for me. I just want to improve each and every day, and I just want to match the level of you can say fitness or practice or consistency that this team currently have all the senior players, and I want to match them. And once I go back to the domestic team, I want to be one step ahead of everybody. Hey.
Usually being Chinese or some sushi food, Japanese. I think Arzan has a lot of stories, so I think I let him speak and I'm the one who's listening. You just have to get him to talk and then you'll see the real Arzan.
I've been in studies. I would probably be doing my MBA.
I don't know. I cannot think of it. I've thought so many times. I don't really know what it is. Coffee. Getting into it. It was only me driving and him on the phone all the way, so it felt like I was driving alone and didn't have any company.
Obviously me.
Let him take that. Arzan.
No, not at all. You can see our Instagram. Me. I've clicked so many of his
Because he
pictures,
doesn't want to be
he has never given me any
shy,
credit for that.
photo shy.